Reported by Bloomberg's Ari Natter, the United States Consumer Product Safety Commission, CPSC, is grappling with how to address gas stove. They say that these common kitchen appliances can pose a risk to human health by emitting air pollutants indoors. The federal agency, which aims to reduce injuries and deaths linked to consumer products, will consider a ban on new gas stoves along with other, less drastic measures such as implementing emission standards. One of the agency's commissioners, Richard Trumka Jr., told Bloomberg that any option is on the table as regards to mounting public health and environmental concerns about the appliances. He told the publication that gas stove is a hidden hazard and products that can't be made safe can be banned. In response to these comments, the CPSC and the Biden administration face an almost immediate backlash from the oil and gas industry and its political allies. Now, Alexander Hohensarik, the head of the Safety Commission, said in a statement on Wednesday that, quote-unquote, "I am not looking to ban gas stoves and the CPSC has no proceeding to do so." At a virtual webinar in December, Trumka said public pressure could help speed the process to provide details on the possible problems and solutions related to gas stoves, potentially spurring regulations by the end of 2023. Per the Hill's Rachel Prazin, lawmakers have also asked the CPSC to address the issues posed by gas stoves. But scientists have found that the appliances can leak unsafe levels of pollutants like carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, methane, and small particulates into the air. An October study published in the journal Environmental Science and Technology found that gas stoves in California were emitting several harmful chemicals, even while turned off. The nonprofit Consumer Reports also found high levels of nitrogen oxide emissions in its testing and urged shoppers to consider buying electric ranges instead. A new study published in December in the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health suggests that 12.7% of childhood asthma cases in the U.S. can be linked with gas stoves, which is similar to the asthma-related risk posed by other factors such as secondhand smoke. In addition to the public health concerns, gas stoves also emit heat-trapping gases that contribute to global warming, most notably methane, which is 25 times more efficient at trapping radiation than carbon dioxide is, per the Environmental Protection Agency. Meanwhile, natural gas and home appliance industry groups say moving away from natural gas is a mistake, one that could prove costly to consumers. In a recent blog post, the American Gas Association wrote that banning natural gas could lead to increased heating and overall housing costs. The trade organization wrote that pushing unpopular policies that risk dramatically increasing the cost of living isn't just irresponsible, it's outright malpractice, and the harm could be felt by millions. The Association of Home Appliance Manufacturers argues that banning gas stoves would fail to address indoor air pollution from cooking. Jill Notini, the association spokesman, said in a statement, as reported by CNN Business Ramisha Maruk, that quote-unquote, "It's because all forms of cooking, regardless of heat source, generate air pollutants, especially at high temperatures." On the other hand, Michael Kikukawa, a spokesperson for the White House, tells the New York Times that for the time being, no changes regarding the legality of gas stoves are happening at the federal level and that the president does not support banning gas stoves. And the Consumer Product Safety Commission, which is independent, is not banning gas stoves. I am Lovely Montoya of Manila STV.